Here's a second 3D printed ring. I always get two because one as a spare, and I might actually get another pole. The cam jam, cam locks, whatever these things are, they're great. So it sits on top of the outer diameter of the bottom pole and is slightly larger than the outer diameter of the next pole in line. Very sturdy. And this bottom is secured with a tent spike. And it goes all the way up into the trees, and you can see that maybe you can't, I see it. It goes down to the other side of the driveway. I believe it's around 67 feet. I need to measure this wire. I'm not going to do any more, gotta pick those limbs up too. I'm not going to do any more trimming because frankly with all these trees and vehicles, and I got a dual band inverted V in the backyard for 80 and 40, I've got a lot of interaction here. So I'm not going to do any more adjustment till I get this in an open field without any adjacent obstacles or metal objects. So I'm very pleased with this so far. It seems to be quite sturdy. Why this camera is randomly hunting, I don't know. So that's it for this brief episode, and we will chat with y'all later. This is Philip Nylander, KA4KOE, Richmond Hill, saying 73.